Well, I figured I'd take a little video here showing off my IBM BladeCenter. I don't know if you can see this, but I have 9 450 gig SATA drives in it right now, the SAS drives. I have a single blade installed of the 6 I can have. This has a DVD rewritable in it. I mean, if you want to load your operating system off a DVD drive, you can do that. And I also have 2 battery backups. And this thing is up and running with dual Xeon E5620s. See if I can zoom in here and get that. There we go. 48 gigs of RAM. And it's a pretty nice little server. I mean, I guess it is considered big, but the way IBM did this is they made everything plug and play. So if you need a hard drive taken out of it, you don't have to turn the system off. You just, flip this right here, pull it out, take the hard drive out that's bad or you don't want in it, and then just plug it right on back in. And there you have it. And that's the way it works for the entire server. If you need a power supply replaced, or the power supply is making a noise, you just plug another power supply in, feed power to it, and take the old power supply out. It's actually a really nice setup. And all the noise you would think is coming from all the fans in the back, but really it's just coming from the power supply. This one power supply, which right now is plugged into just regular house plug, 120, 110, whatever it is, it's operating at 950 watts. If I were to take that plug out and put it into a 240, it would be operating at 1450. So, pretty nice setup. And if we come over here, I also have, with this, I have 2 Cisco catalyst switches, which I don't personally need, but they can be plugged in if I need them. And then I have 2 of the Raid Controller modules for the SAS drives. Pretty sweet. And as far as backups go, I have 3 more power supplies sitting here, all in good working condition. I don't see the point of putting in what I don't need, but you could leave them all in there if you really wanted to. Alright, so I have the server turned off right now, and I have the blade or motherboard out, depending on how you want to look at it. This only has 6 memory modules, DDR3, operating at 1333 megahertz. It supports up to 18 memory modules. I believe it's 192 gigabytes of RAM. I could be wrong about that. It could be more. Something IBM really did that was nice is they put a spot in there for 2 SSD drives, so you can just slide them right in. You could have one with an operating system on it and the other being used as a cache drive, depending on how you're going to use the server. I would imagine if you wanted a Plex server, that would be the way to go. I personally would go for a gaming server, which wouldn't need the cache drive at all, but it's up to whatever the person wants to do with it. So, alright, there you guys go. Take it easy.